Hello, my name is Brian and I'm going to talk a little about this mangakas. Mangakas work is essentially difficult because of the skills and quality they have into their works. Normally, the work of this is not done with usual. Usually, the mangakas is in change of making the main design, such as the characters, their clothes, costume, gesture, among others. While their assistant take care of the background and some others that their partners interest on them. Mangaka may be able to work everything on his own. Having an assistant does not mean that he is incapable on Mars. They simply facilitate his work to be able to have the project on time without there are even cases where several work as a group to develop a final product. As is the case with the club group, allow our group is less frequent. There is many have certain helpers such as editor. Many professional mangakas works with editors who is considered the head of the manga, boss of the manga, and the project's production supervisor, the editor of the officer, advices of manga and manga art, a history continue generally looking for the manga to meet the standard of the company or to publish writer. A mangaka can either write or illustrate of series of his own creation or work in collaboration with other authors. In case where the write and illustrator is someone else, but most my time either both the dialogue and the drawing assistant. Many mangakas have assistants who help them with their works. The function of the assistant can be very varied. Some mangakas only deal with the basic part of the manga, having many assistants who do the light, while others only leave specific tasks in the hand of their assistant. Thank you very much for listening to my exposition about this work in mangakas.
Hello, teacher. My name is Rowdy and my profession is animator. And now I will tell you a little about said profession. An animator creating animation and visual effects for series, movie, video game, and other media. Create 2 and 3-dimensional model forming part of an animation story. Most multimedia artists are freelancers, while others work directly for some film and video industry. They often work about 11 or 12 hours a day. Sometimes our animation can to creates graphics and animation using computer program and illustration. Work with a team of animation and artists to create a movie, game, or visual effect. Some focus on creating a movie or video game. Others create visual effects for movie and television show. Visual effects, also called CGI.
Hello, I am Armando and we'll talk about my profession, computer engineer. Computer engineer is the branch of the engineers that integrates electronic engineers with the computer science. Computer engineers design and deploy computer system and other technology devices. What do computer engineers do? Well, the computer hardware engineers research, design, develop, and test computer systems, and the components such as processors, circuit boards, memory, a device, network, and routers, according to the U.S. Bureau Labor Statistics (BLS). Computer hardware include microprocessors, memory chips, mobile rewired flash memory, data storage device, input device, microphones, cameras, touch controls, sensors, etc. Output device for monitor, audio device, and remote control, and the network component are modems, switches, and routers. An important function of the computer engineers is to integrate these components into a computer and network system. This requires a good working knowledge of the electric system. Another important aspect of the computer engineer is software deploying computer. The software improving computer includes operation system, applications, word processing, spreadsheet, accounting, database, managing graphics, computer assistant design, computer assistant manufacturing, etc., audio, video, media, and games, networking and communicating World Wide Web, www, voice over Internet Protocol, based on IP, instant messaging, and email. Utilize the fields holding this managed device, archiving backing systems, programming language, editing, compiling, debugging, security, antivirus, firewall, encryption, and user auto-identification. Is a computer a good career? Is a computer engineer a good career? Well, there are many different jobs which the fields of the computer engineer. There are several commonalities among they make it an excellent choice for the right person. The benefit of the computer engineer as a career include great pay, job security, and environment of change and innovation. Thanks. This was my presentation, and we'll pass with the next. Bye.
Hello, my name is Francis Naftali and I am an electrician. I am a professional who performs electrical installations and repairs, especially in machines to lighting. I'm in charge of fixing plugs up to load centers installations, industrial electrical installations, panels, high voltage lines, etc. My work as an electrician is not limited to working in homes and buildings. With the growth of the electrician's industry, since I was trained to do more demanding jobs, such as installing transformers and working with high voltage lines. I use a set of blueprints to make my job easier. I also measure voltage and electrical current. I also use tools like pliers, screwdrivers, and black tape. My work is very important for society, since without me you will have no electricity, no internet, or many other things that you use daily.